How to return item on Postmark. Well, to return an item on Postmark, you must file a claim within 3 days of delivery if the item is not as described, as all sales are final. So open up Postmark first app or account on the web, then head into your account. Now on the app at the bottom right corner, and then select here My Purchases option. So you can see My Purchases, tap on it. You'll find all your purchases here. So tap on the particular purchase there, and once you tap on it, then click on Problems or Order Inquiry option. Then choose Order Not as Described or the relevant reason. Then upload clear photos or videos and a detailed description. Ensure you do not click Order Received before reporting the issue. However, if you selected Order Received, you might not get the refund. So you must report this issue within 3 days of delivery, or Postmark will automatically release payment to the seller. Returns are approved if the item is not as described, damaged, or the wrong item was sent. Postmark acts as a mediator, reviewing the claim and photos within 1 to 2 business days. If approved, a prepaid shipping label is sent to you to return the item. If denied, the sale is finalized. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.